I'm so excited to introduce you to our first ever 12 by 12 cardstock shop subscription box. Now these are going to be offered monthly, and the premise behind these boxes is that we start with a beautifully curated color palette. We try to do something that fits the season or the holidays surrounding the kit, but also something that's a little bit unique and unexpected so that you've got a fun color palette to play with. So we start with 5 sheets of Encore textured cardstock in that fun color palette. And then we've chosen specialty papers that coordinate or contrast beautifully with that main color combo. So you'll see all these gorgeous papers from the first kit, how beautifully they all coordinate. So you can just get busy creating and not worry about matching your papers. So each kit will include 16 to 17 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock. Now our vellum does come in 8.5 by 11 size, so if there's vellum included in the kit for the month, it will be 8.5 by 11, but otherwise you'll be getting 12 by 12 sheets. And then there's something else, a fun little surprise. Each month you'll also be getting a mystery pack. So inside this envelope is 3 to 4 more sheets of cardstock. It's mostly going to be 12 by 12 size, but occasionally you'll get some 8.5 by 11 or some fun embellishments that coordinate. It's going to be a mystery. And the fun part about this bag is these items are exclusive to the kits. They're not going to be in the shop. It's a one-time mystery item, but we think you're going to love them. We've had a lot of fun picking these items out. So let's talk about this first monthly kit. This is called Dear Old Dad. This one was chosen kind of for a masculine Father's Day theme, but certainly you can see how it could be used for so much more. Maybe some fun like bee or honeycomb inspired projects. It has a real roaring 20s feel too, so you can make some beautiful things with this. We're starting with the 5 sheets of Encore cardstock in our color palette. And for this month, we have chosen Jet Black, Sandcastle, Mint Chocolate Chip, Hunter, and Golden Amber, this beautiful yellow. So that's our main color palette. And then we've got some fun specialty papers that go with that. So we've got Cereal Pearl in Fusion Bronze, and this is just a gorgeous metallic kind of copper. You can see how that catches the light. Then we've got 2 of our sequin glitter papers. Now these cut great on a Cricut or Silhouette machine. If you've never tried that, you'll be really impressed with these papers. Then we've got a Miri foil. This is a gold foil, but it has a cool brushed effect. I don't know if you can kind of see that when the light hits it. It's a brushed metal paper, so it's just really elegant looking. Then we've got another piece of Cereal Pearl. This is Arum. Again, it's just that golden yellow with the pearlescent finish. We've got a sheet of our Thai mulberry paper. This is really fun, just for some accents. Then we've got a sheet of Basil Card Shop Marble. Now this is a heavyweight cardstock that has this marble effect printed on it. So that's really a unique cardstock. Then we've got some Echo Park in kind of a pale creamy green yellow with some gold foil. We've got Dotted Swiss in Thicket. It's a nice hunter green color. Then we have another Miri foil. This is Gunsmoke, and it's kind of a grayish black silver combo, but it's just beautiful. You can see it's highly reflective as well. And finishing off with this beautiful Glitter Luxe cardstock in black. This is just deep and rich and velvety black and so gorgeous. And then of course we've got our mystery items, which you won't know what's in here until you get your kit. So we're so excited to launch this. These will be coming out monthly. You have several subscription options, so you can just check out how that all works. If you want to grab this first box, it is available now to order. So we're excited about this. We cannot wait to show you what we have picked out for the mystery bags for each month and for the color palettes for each kit. And then one more fun surprise. If you purchase the monthly kit, you get a free bonus class that includes SVG files for these projects as well as a video class. So this month we're going to be making 6 Father's Day masculine roaring 20s themed cards using all these fun papers in the kit. And you can see there's some really cute ideas here. So Again, that's just a bonus freebie with the kit, SVG files, and a video class for these 6 cards. We know you're going to love this, and quantities are limited, so go grab it while it's available.